Recording.
So you're driving down Rails to Trails and you see this road and you ask yourself, where the hell does that go? Today, you're going to find out. Welcome back to Bruteforce Explorer. Today, I'm here with the missus again, and we've been down this path before, but we didn't go very far. I'm going to see where it goes. We're going to do a little bit of exploring. This obviously is a service road of some sort, and as you can see on Polaris Ride Command there, this is uncharted territory until we get across the highway. This is that road with all the whoop-de-woos in it. This here we're going under is Highway 103. In Nova Scotia, heading to the South Shore, if anybody cares, and I'm sure you all do. Rap, rap. I hope you all been well. I've been doing good. Miss has been doing good. Oh, this is mucky. We're wearing the neon green again today because it's Saturday and it's hunting season. And I'm not bulletproof. So we're just gonna cruise around here. We're gonna see what kind of trouble we can get in. So I've been down this trail before, not very far. I don't know what I'm going to see. I fully intended to have Mrs. Brute on comms today, but I broke her housing on her helmet that the comms, the Bluetooth clicks into. So I have an old helmet that's got the housing, and next video, I promise. People have been asking to hear from her, so we will we'll get her involved. All right, so I'm just gonna follow this trail. Look at that! What the fuck is that? Oh, that's somebody's off the back of a truck loading ramp. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool. So let's go this way. Oh, Jesus. I'm in two-wheel drive and spun out. So like I said, I have no idea where I'm going. And guess what, folks? I don't care. It's Saturday. I got work around the house to do after this, so I decided that I'm going to get out for a run. And this looks like it goes to a lake, I think. I think it goes to a lake. Let's go like that and like that. Yeah, we're going down a little side trail to a lake. Oh, what's this? Whoa, that looked like ice. It's just wet. Well, we got to somebody's house, so this isn't where we want to be. So if you guys are following this trail on Polaris Ride Command, don't come down here because people have private property signs, so I respect that. I wouldn't want people on my property. So we're going to do the turnaround, and Mrs. is right behind me, riding up the old butt. That's all right. That's what I do too. Give a good rip. Whoa, whoa! Man, this bike goes fast. Whoop, whoop. Even got the sound effects. All right, so that was a wrong turn, but you guys got to see. Look at this. The skid marks of people taking the wrong turn and turning around. There's a missus. What a cutie she is. Yeah, I haven't been this far, so this is all new to me. And so it might not be new to you, because y'all may have been down here, but I'm doing my exploring. Yeah, the rocks. I mentioned before, rocks from worn trails like this, they'll pop the bead off your tire, and you're going to end up with a flat if you don't pick your... if you don't have enough tire pressure, and I usually run with about 5 pounds. And B, if you hit it the wrong way, you're kind of screwed. So I try and keep my eyes out for rocks like that. So it's the 1st of November, and it's supposed to be something insane like 23 or 24 degrees Celsius today. That's crazy. Like, that's never happened. So yeah, global warming has its good and has its bad. So I consider it a win today. We're not all bundled up freezing. I just have this thin coat on and a t-shirt underneath it. And that's about it. So we are under the power lines. You guys have seen the power lines a million times. If you're new to the channel, you haven't, but if you've watched any of my 64 videos, yep, there's 64 videos. Start watching, like, and subscribe, and commenting. Comment on my videos. I respond to every single comment. I really like to hear from you guys. And after that little rant, I forget what I was talking about, so let's keep going. The severe lack of a short-term memory can be a good thing and a bad thing. When you're in the middle of a sentence and yeah, the woods are thick there. Yeah, that was an example of it right there. Having no real short-term memory can make conversations interesting. But not if you're the one doing the talking. Oh, it smells good. What the hell is this? Where the hell are we? That's obviously somebody's camp. Neato. So we have a stop sign in the middle of the woods. I'm going to pop it in 4. Put it in 4 there, wifey. There we go. All right. Yeah, this is a pretty rocky downhill. I legit don't know where I'm going, and I don't care. It's just fun to get out in the woods. Fun to get out. This is a great little trail so far. And it looks like it's half decently maintained. Okay, that's a dead end. I love these little side trails. Nice little through the woods kind of places that end up somewhere that means something to somebody, obviously. Now, as you can see on Polaris Ride Command, I am like off the trail somewhere. Hopefully I want to get on this main trail again. But oh, rocky. Just gonna wait for the missus. Here she comes. What a cutie she is. So nice to see her bouncing around the corner. Wow, this is a win. I love trails like this. Just little slow, crawling along trails. I'll once I get to a clearing, I'll pop the drone up and show you guys where what kind of surroundings I'm in. Real thick woods, thick woods. This actually reminds me of the trail system down near Peggy's Cove, where I used to live. I used to live in Hackett's Cove. The only purple house in Hackett's Cove. And the back up top of that hill there. Oh, look, what's that thing? What is that? What kind of bird is that right there? I bet it's delicious. He's just walking, putting along. He's right there. Look, there he is right there in the woods. Wonder what kind of bird you are. You look delicious. He don't care. He don't care about a couple Bruteforce 750s ripping by him. Oh, look at this. Look how cool this looks. There's some of these dope buckets. Oh man, this trail's awesome. Go through some real dark spots. Excuse me. And what's this? That's like a survey marker. Somebody's land border, probably. Oh, this is a great trail. I'm having a time. Having a time. Okay, so if you look on Polaris Ride Command, we did the long way around. This trail here goes way back that way, and then it goes this way. So we're gonna go this way. How you doing? I love being back in the woods. Love it, love it, love it. You could have your mind all in a funk thinking about the worries of the world and all that unnecessary shit you never really have to think about but do anyway. And you get out on your buggy. Excuse me. Once you get out on your buggy, the world is your oyster. I don't know what that means, but I think it's good. I've heard that used in a good sense. So I'm just going to follow this trail. Yeah, there's those big occasional boulders sticking up. Yeah. I'm glad that I have the tires that I have now. They're real thick. The wife just has stock. She's on her third pair of Bruteforce tires, and once they go, which will probably be the end of the winter, I'll buy her a new set of tires. Something in between what she's got and what I got. I'm not going to get those big goofy mud tires because they're one-trick ponies, you know, big 35-inch retardinators or whatever they call them. Anyway, we do trail ride. I'd rather have something much more versatile. They look cool though. Well, this is as good a spot as any. Oh, look at this. Watch this. Let's do this little... See what kind of trouble we can get in. Uh-oh. I don't know what's on the other side of this. Oh, shit. Okay, we're good. every so often, there's a little playground in the woods. Everybody gets to play. I'm gonna get up over this thing. Look at the missus. Go, get it done. I'm gonna stay here until you do it. Do it. She's got excellent riding skills. See? There you go. She's got great riding skills. She's taken the course and she's got 2,000 kilometers of backwoods experience. So I have no problems whatsoever encouraging her to do shit like that. God love her. All right, so let's get a snack and get the drone up in the air.
Intercom failed. Try again later. Recording.
All right, so we had a little lunch break and tried to get the drone up in the air, which was impossible because the DJI Fly app didn't work. I guess when your phone doesn't update, there's a new version of the DJI Fly app, and I didn't do that. So drone stuff next time. Gotta wait for the missus behind me there. So we're just continuing along down this trail. Don't know where it goes. Just getting some fresh air. So it looks like this trail connects up with another trail, and we'll see where it goes. Just wait for the missus. There she is behind us. Oh, this is a great trail system. This is absolutely my favorite type of riding. Just picking through the woods. You can see on Ride Command, this little cross trail connects up to another trail. Do not enter. All right, I will not enter. That's somebody's property there. There's no maintenance done on this trail here, you can tell. It's all beat to shit right down to rocks. Whoa. Little spot though. I have no idea where we are. Holy shit, there's a bridge. Oh. Cool. Icy trail ahead. Kelly's Toll Bridge. Wow, this is nice. There's a lot of plywood. Very cool. People putting these down to fill in the beat up trail. Get some shots of the Mrs. Posterior. You can see how steep this is. What a great trail this is. I'm really enjoying myself. This is a beauty change to what I'm used to riding. Oh, trail goes that way. Dead end down that way. It's nice that they have signs and stuff too. If anybody, comment below, knows where the hell I am, please, please, please let me know. Because this is an awesome spot. I love it. Look how dark that is in there. Holy shit. Creepy woods, folks. Man, my head's on a swivel. I'm enjoying the sights. Enjoying this site so much. Lots of uphills, downhills, that's for sure. That's steep, steep. Good thing this thing pulls like a tractor. Yes, poor Lisa was almost in tears when when that Sasquatch stole her buggy. I had to take off like a bat out of hell after it. Yeah, this is an incredibly large trail system, apparently. And because I don't want to get lost, I'm not leaving the red trail, because I know that when we turn back at the end of this snake, we got to go through the woods to get to another trail. This is actually pretty awesome back here. There's always these little openings in the woods that there's no trees. Must be not enough earth on the ground above the rocks to support any trees. Like through there. Like if you look through there, it's a clearing and there's nothing really growing, where if you look over here, there's shoulder to shoulder trees. So it must be the lack of good soil. So according to Polaris Ride Command, there's a lake down there somewhere. There's so much land in Nova Scotia that is untouched and is pure nature. We only get to really see around the edge. Get to see around the edge of things.
Recording.
So we're going to get up to a crossroad here, and I think that's where I'm going to call it a video, because you guys seen enough of this leg of the trip. Oh, Mrs. found a little lake to see. Let's go see what she's scouting out. Let's see what she got to see. This may be the end of the trip. Holy shit, look at this. This is amazing. Well, this looks like the end. I am going to shut my buggy off, and we're going to go have a look at the lake. Let's see what kind of trouble we can get in down here. So our tree was blocked. A tree blocked us from seeing the wonders of the end of this trail. What's this now? We are on a lake. Wow, pretty cool. Lots of lakes. And it looks like there's snowmobile signs there on that tree for people crossing this lake. I never crossed frozen water. It's too sketchy. So, here is the spot in the video where I call it. I thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe. Throw me a comment. What did you think of the new trail that I've never seen before? Yeah, like, share, subscribe.